Hi, this is Jonathan with Great Buy Electronics, and today we're going to show you how to upgrade your hard drive on your MacBook Pro to a solid state drive. The advantages of a solid state drive are your computer will run a lot faster, it'll run cooler, you don't have a disk spinning around which is noisy. First thing you're going to want to do is remove the 10 screws from the bottom side. I've already done this to expedite the process. The back cover should just pop right off. And you can see there's a bracket holding the hard drive in place. You're going to want to loosen these screws. Once the screws are loose, the bracket should just pop right off. You can pull your old hard drive up. And there's a ribbon, so make sure you don't tear this. And this should just unsnap. Then have 4 pins you're going to want to remove. There's a special screwdriver for this, but I find it's easier just to get a pair of pliers and twist these off. Again, for the video purposes, I'm not going to do this. You're going to reinsert your new hard drive. Put the bracket in to secure it. You then are going to replace the back cover. Before reinserting the screws, I like to make sure that it was inserted correctly. Since this is a new hard drive, you are not going to be able to load to anything. It will just show you a blinking folder. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to install your operating system. So please see part 2. This video has been sponsored by GreatBuyElectronics.com. Go to GreatBuyElectronics.com to get a quick, easy quote on your MacBook Pros, iPads, tablets, smartphones, and other devices.